Insert the nut into the tensioner main rod, and then insert the rotating rod into the tensioner main rod. Pull out the stainless steel band inside the plastic dispenser by hand. Then use the slot on the side of the tensioning tool to cut a piece of stainless steel strip to the correct length you need. Insert the band through the seal with the ears facing up. Then, bend the end of the band under the seal. Insert the other end of the stainless steel strap into the packing buckle. Pull the band tightly around the goods by hand. Hold the tool in your left hand as shown. Line up the slots in the nose and windlass so they are on a straight line. Insert the band through the nose and windlass slots. Hold the black rocker in your right hand in the position shown. Push the rocker forward and backward until the desired tension is reached. After tightening the stainless steel strapping tape, turn the tensioner up. Pull the blue handle opposite the tensioner and cut the tape. Knock the stainless steel belt into the packing buckle with a hammer, and then use a hammer to hit the ears of the packing buckle to both sides of the stainless steel belt to fix the packing buckle.